Weather change, hair dye, exposure to harsh pollutants, and other environmental aggressors all contribute to dry hair. But with the right remedies, you can fix it and get lustrous hair. When it comes to damaged hair, conditioner is the name of the game that helps reverse the damage. In this video, I will share how can we save our hair from damaging with natural ingredients that are easily available in your home kitchen. I will share some homemade conditioner that will not only help you to recover your damaging hair, but also help to make hair smooth, soft and shiny. First of all, we will start our remedy number 1, that is avocado and peppermint oil conditioner. Avocado and peppermint oil are also rich in vitamins that can nourish the scalp and help hair look healthy, shiny, and hydrated. To prepare this remedy, you will need 1 cup mashed avocado, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 10 drops of peppermint oil. In a clean bowl, take 1 cup mashed avocado and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, mix it well even all lumps are removed. After mixing that, add 10 drops of peppermint oil in it and mix well. Now your avocado and peppermint oil conditioner ready for use. Apply uniformly on hair and cover with a shower cap. Let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Wash off with a chemical-free shampoo. Remedy number 2 is honey and pumpkin conditioner. To prepare this remedy, you will need 1 cup nicely pureed pumpkin, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. In a bowl, take 1 cup nicely pureed pumpkin with about 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Mix it well and apply it to your hair. After applying this mixture, place a shower cap over your head to avoid any mess. Let the mask be for 15 minutes and wash it off with natural shampoo. Pumpkins are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, zinc and beta-carotene. Remedy number 3 is shea butter and olive oil conditioner. To prepare this remedy, you will need 1 tablespoon shea butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 2 vitamin capsule, 4 drops of lavender oil. In a clean bowl, take 1 tablespoon melted shea butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 2 vitamin E capsule and 4 drops of lavender oil. Mix all the ingredients well. Apply it on hair and let it sit for about 40 minutes. Wash off with a chemical-free shampoo. Shea butter contains vitamins A and E as well as essential fatty acids. It not just repairs damage but also protects hair from further damage.